Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna share with you some news. Also I'm gonna share with you some of my analysis. They're all my personal thoughts, personal analysis. There is no any investment advice. So if we agreed on it, let's move on. In economic calendar, let's see what's gonna happen this week, cause as I see there's not much things and this is good. I do see just PMI and initial jobless claims, that's all, and also today US President Trump speaks, which is right now. I don't see any important, any big things, so any things that can affect very bad or very good way, I mean, in a data. The things, there is no any busy data that's good for us, because sometimes, we're getting 5 data in a day and that day is getting like hell. That's why, to be honest guys, in this week on side of data, we have not much problem. That's good. Just we need to focus all the news. We need to focus. Unfortunately, Trump. That's it. So, as a news, I got one for you because this is the things affecting all the market. Trump said he trade Iran for 48 hours. If he not open Hormuz, he will start land attack. So, when he said this, when he tweeted, that day we saw a drop in market. Market has not much volume, and what I told you, if he makes some things, if he makes some manipulation, it would affect market quickly, because there is no volume, it can affect so fast. And I guess he's making it on purpose. I don't have any proof, but I do think like that. So when market drop, we were seeking some place that where it can drop more. It's okay so far. He said 48 hours, and when 24 hours left, he again trade Iran. There is 24 hours, just make it well. And now when his speech, he said something else. Let me just read. Yes, Trump said if everything goes well, Hormuz will be open very soon. And also he said maybe Iran can consider partnership leader model. And also additional, he said nobody want to be a leader in Iran yet, but I don't wanna anyone to die. Iran accepted not to have a nuclear. So that's why we see some rise in market so far. That's good. But with Trump, we can just start back straight away. That's for whenever we are making trade. That's point important for us. We need to watch out, guys, cause unfortunately we are living the worst time in century. So when I came to total, I told it will drop if it reach over here, but the things it didn't reach yet, and this area, the place that Trump talked about Iran when he give 48 hours, then we see a drop. So that's still okay. Now I will carry them. It's still on table, cause you will understand why I'm telling now. We didn't close last candle on 2.41 yet. So guys, I can say that it would make this movement, total would make this movement inverse head and shoulder. If it's make it, and if it's give us another drop, it won't be surprised, so we can understand that. So if we see one more drop, that's understandable, guys, then we will see rise if we can hodl over this level. So then when we rise here, that time we're gonna decide. That area is still important. And Bitcoin, it is same as well. If we would like to think positive, we can even move like that. So in here also same as well. We can see the same formation. And it dropped exactly on there. And now if we see another drop till here, as long as it's be equal or make higher low, That's okay for us. It's not gonna be surprised to go 75. So when we came here, that time we will make our decision. If we can hodl over this level, that time we're gonna see 87. It's not gonna surprise because guys, Bitcoin closed last year in negative, and the things in the history, it didn't close 2 times red. So even to close this year, Bitcoin need to go 87. So we still have time, yes, I know it, but as long as the things we gonna reach that area. So of course, we have a unfortunate Trump. So what to do? We just need to watch out. We have Trump, does not mean we're gonna stop. We're gonna just not gonna think about crypto, not gonna think about make future. Like, it's okay, we will keep going our dreams. That's it. So in Ethereum made a stop on a, is it? Yes, on our short. Yes, that's okay. But the things, it's gave our long position and it's about to giving it. So what can I say? Let's just delete this one. So guys, in Ethereum you can close when it's around here, because it'll make, you can take your target one and then you can bring your stop loss to entry price. You can continue because it looks like it will make same formation. If it will make, it might make some drop maximum till here, then it will rise. You can continue just a safer place, just close half and bring your stop loss to entry price to avoid all losses, all possible losses. So it's okay. Even you want to close all, that's okay, cause whatever you made in stop, you already earn back in here, so that's good. In BNB also made a stop, and now I do still expect this rise on BNB if market goes as our expectation and the things which is good for it. If it makes same movement, we will see, we will be in after this breakup. So this is good. Even I can make it this little lower to get more percentage. That's still okay. So that looks good, guys. Once break up this level and when even it's make their retest, then we're gonna be inside of the position. That's good. In Sol I told you, when even I made this line just for that, I said when it came here, close half and take your stop loss to enterprise. So it's happened, just let it close now as a success. So that's good. Yes, we earned 3.2, but that's good in this market. It's good, guys. You're making 3x, like say it's like 9 to 10. That's still okay. The things it didn't enter are short, that's why I'm just deleting it. Now I don't think so it's going to drop anymore. Yes, it would make last drop to make some correction, then when it get their momentum, their power, it will rise. That's my opinion. So we can say like this, then this. Bitcoin Cash walk inside of a box very well. If you are pro trader, if you are taking trade inside of that box, you earn 3.3% in each movement. So I do think if it's cannot hold there, it will make another movement, but it might not make that much drop so far. It will make correction for sure. Then when it's make correction, then we can consider for long, but we need to see correction because it looks like as in total market makes inverted and shoulders, and it might drop one more, and it would be like from anything, it would come from anything. It might be again Trump talks, it's like usual things. You can treat it again anywhere else. So in XRP, guys, our rules, bring stop loss to entry price. That's why even we earn like almost 70-80% of our short position, which is give us 4%. That's why I do mark it as a success. So that's good. And of course after that it's made rise. To be honest, I do expect the drop till here, but it's okay. Market turn, market made reversal, so of course it will return as, like, you know, just not the decision. XLM, by the way, I put XRP to say some things it's not makes sense. I can say that it would make a correction around this level, I mean under this level, then we will see. But I do expect a drop right now. Even it would consider for short, but you know, XRP no need, and if it's the shoulder, it's not make sense, it's very small. And XLM has same. I told if it's break down this level, it will drop down. It made. And link, we got a stop. It's very understandable. As long as market choose their direction, it will decide to rise, and we will see Bitcoin on 87. That's good, that's enough. We can get several stop, cause long story short, we gonna earn a lot. In Zag made perfectly, you know, movement, perfectly raised. It just enter, it made some consultation, accumulation, whatever you call, then it's raised. So here you need to take your target one. Why my line are that small, I don't know. Anyway, just change the color as well. I'm changing yellow to orange, that's perfect. Gosh, what's wrong with you? Ah, this one, yeah. So anyway, this is your target one, and with half of your position you can consider to take 5.75, almost 6%, which is perfect for Zag. So you can consider to close half, and you know, as usual, but also after this is your risk to wait for it. Even though it makes some correction, I do expect it's gonna rise. So it's totally up to you. This is your target one. I'm gonna mark it as a success. BG came from that, which is good for it. But the things we need to see it, you know, more rise. It's not make sense. It looks like it would make some drop as well. It can drop again till here, then we might see some rise again. It's not make any sense to make any things on BGB. It's looking like that. And Pippin still working on our line. Yes, to be honest, there is nothing for Pippin, like, you know, it's not making anything. If it drop, yes, it would drop sharply on here, but even no need to look at it because we earn already enough on it. River on our entry point, almost there, and no worry, it will rise. Even if you take when it's enter, you got like 20%. That is very good. And this is, you know, spot trade, as I told you, because it's make very perfect liquidation grab. And as you see, it just, you know, its behavior was like, you know, making some head and shoulders, but it didn't, of course. After this week it was obvious, but it will rise, no worry. Kite not make sense. Aster, I told you, if it cannot hold there, it will drop, and as you see, it's dropped 70%. 7%, sorry. The bad things is that, cause you know what, it will rise, guys, but the things now, my target is not that because the information is invalid. Now it will rise till here, but nobody gives a damn about it because it's already stopped. That's why I would make, you know, I made it this on purpose because I would know it will stop. I should make it like that, but it was huge. Anyway, I'm gonna accept it, and let's just, you know, move wherever it is. So the things, guys, it will come here. I'm not gonna make a position again. Actually, that's a good place right now, but I'm gonna think about this. If it decided to rise, it will make another low and rise like that. That's what I do expect from that. What else? The hype is did not reach the place yet, so I'm still thinking it will drop, because the way it looks like drop. Yes, it's trying to make some rise, but this wicks, as you see, it's getting rejected. So when it came this place, we can get over here. On Fed also makes some squeeze. It's also making some, triangle, whatever you call it. So if it can close over this level with 2 candles, then we can see good rise. Or else if it's break down to down, we will see huge drop in Fed. But the things, it looks like it might, make breakup. So far till get this candle, and sure, let's just wait. So guys, long story short, I forgot gold and silver. How did I forget them? Anyway, in gold, guys, as you see, it's dropped exactly the place that I told you. It dropped even lower than it dropped. Now I do expect another drop over here. I do expect drop till, let me make it here again. So if you're considering to take gold, you just need to watch out, because I do think it will get rejected over here. Maybe it's just trying to take people in. I don't trust it. And silver, yes, it's dropped till our place. Even it give inside of that box like 5%, which is perfect, and it rise, but no worry, it will drop. And I'm telling you now, it will drop till 54. Even with wicks, I do think that if it's not make double bottom and rise, it will drop, guys, no worry. So as a Bitcoin, guys, as you know, Trump can manipulate market very easy. We need to watch out our position. Right now I do see inverse head and shoulders on Bitcoin in market. In most of coin, they are making similar pattern. So I do think it might make some drop. It might be from news or something else, whatever it is. After then we can see a good days in Bitcoin, cause 8 is over, volume coming back in the market, and also so far at least I'm talking positive. So let's see what's gonna happen tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow.